The whole Habibi team in the desert camp. They changed the desert camp. He said it's 5 stars now. 5-star experience. This is for the TPR team. I'm gonna have some shows, fire shows. It's gonna be amazing. Some Arabic dancing. Let's get it.
Currently we are in Dubai in the desert and we are doing an activity for our whole retreat, for the TPR retreat. It's amazing to see all of these leaders coming from all around the world to just celebrate success. So yeah, let's see what happens. So macht man it.
That was hard.